Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some cookies. So first of all, we're going to get the apron on. So now I've got my apron on, we're going to start by making the cookies. So in here we've got some sugar and brown sugar. Right, so we're going to put the melted butter in. We're going to pour it in. Right, so we're going to be careful to pour it in. Okay, right now that's poured in, we're going to give it a stir. So lift it up, then we're going to mix it.
Put it down. Go on.
It is getting kind of sticky. Okay, it's getting kind of sticky in the bowl. So I'm going to do it a little bit faster. Like this way. I'm just going to check how sticky it's going to be slightly. It's a bit gooey, but not exactly sticky just yet. I'm going to give it like a fast stir. So next we're going to get the eggs. They're not really cracked.
Sure it's cracking.
Yeah, so...
Is that the first one? Let's go on. Crack it in that one. Is there any shell in there?
Nope. So next we're going to crack this other egg. And there's no shell.
Pour it in.
So we're going to pour it into here. Then we're going to stir it again. No,
Vanilla.
not yet. Vanilla was vanilla. Here. So we're going to pour this in. So we're going to pour the vanilla flavoured thingy in.
You don't need to scrape it out.
Okay, so we've got this like spoon to scrape it all out. Is that enough?
Yeah, and then the lemon juice.
Where is the lemon juice? Yeah. So then we're going to pour this in.
What is it?
So now we mix it. Mix it together. Oh my goodness, it's getting way more slimy. I can see the egg still there. Oh my goodness, that is getting goo now. Thank you, egg and everything else that's making it sticky and gooey. I would like to eat this at the start of the mixture because it will be kind of disgusting. And I'll still be able to feel the eggs. So we're going to push this to the side for now. Right, so we've got some flour here. So this is baking soda, and this is flour. And we're going to pour the baking soda into the flour.
Scrape it.
So this is pink Himalayan salt. So should we pour this into
So
here?
you need to get the teaspoon. And you just need 1 teaspoon of that.
This one. Okay, so this will be way more easier if it was just like in a normal thing, then I can
There you
get
go.
it easy.
That'll do.
Then put this in.
With that spoon.
So we're going to very carefully mix this together. Oh hi Lily, you okay? Come to see what's happening today. I'm just making some cookies. So Katie's going to mix it, and then I'll one by one I'm going to get some spoons of the mixture, the other mixture. So pour this in.
Wait.
Right, so Lily's going to help us today.
Stand up.
So Lily, are you saying hi?
I'm going to smile.
So Lily, what you have to do is you have to pour some into the bowl. Right, so
Go on then.
go on Lily, pour it in. Pour it into the bowl.
Put it in there, you do it.
Good girl. And then I can mix it together. It's my job to mix.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you mixing that one? Go on then.
Look Lily! Bit more mix. It's getting a little bit more like harder to mix, but I think I can still get. I think I still get the hang of it.
Let's put another
Right, we're gonna need another one.
Really?
Plop another one in. Good.
Good girl.
Then I can mix it up. Are you using all that then?
Yep. A bit more in.
Yeah, you can put a bit more. Like it, Lily? Like the look of it? Not to eat just yet. I don't think you can have this though because you can't have the milk.
Hold it from there.
Right, you can put a bit more in. My hand's getting achy. Did your hand get a bit achy? Lily! It's fine. I'm a good mixer. Lily's thinking, ooh, what's going on here? Can I help? I want to make a lovely cake. But we aren't really making a cake, it's like cookies that we're making. Kind of looks like cookie dough just with like
That's what it's got to look like.
well,
what you make.
like uncooked cookie dough.
Cookie dough is uncooked.
What?
Cookie dough is uncooked.
Right, I'll just
Because when you cook cookie dough, it makes a cookie.
Are you putting it all in?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. And there's only a bit left. What are you doing, Lily? So you're going to be cookie doughs,
No.
but with Smarties in. Mine's going to be cookie dough with Aero in it. It's going to be so
Where's
nice.
your phone? You go find your phone.
It hasn't got a tablet. It doesn't work. It's a BlackBerry. Alright, so
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
Kate, how'd it go?
Oh, God.
Okay, those are finished.
Good. I'm going to see them
Put
in
it in the oven to cook.
12 minutes.
So that is what they look like. Then I'm going to put them in the oven to cook and I'll show you what they look like when they actually do cook. So, there they are. Getting in the oven to cook. They're like eyes. You're making...
I'm going to see if it'll work.
Wow. So look what we're doing, guys. Look, there's an arrow inside that thing. We just covered it with a topping.
Oh, again.
Squish in. There. Push it on. We'll come back when it's done. Hi guys again. So, it's been a while now. So, these are the Smarty cookies that have been cooked. So I don't like the Smarty cookies. So these ones are mine. They look a bit squished, don't they? That's what I was thinking. I was like, oh,
You can try one if you want.
try one. Okay, so I'll try one. That do taste like mint ice cream, this one. Good stuff. That's actually really nice. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. After I'll just carry on enjoying these. And I'm pretty sure Dad and Casey would eat these up as well. Right, bye guys.